Welcome to our channel once again, guys. Thanks for being here. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and the notification icon so you get updates on all the videos that we post. Today we're going to be doing Casareep chicken. This has been requested a lot also. So for that we have our chicken there. We're going to be using some Casareep, of course, salt, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, onion, pepper. The pepper is always optional. Garlic, broadleaf thyme, scallions and celery. So let's see how this Casareep chicken is made, guys. So first thing, we're gonna get our chicken ready, guys. That's the biggest preparation for this dish. Getting our chicken clean and ready. So we have our chicken all washed up here, as you can see, guys. So we're gonna go work on our seasonings now for our Casareep chicken. And our chopped onions. The scallions is going to be fried up here now. So this is fried a little bit, guys, so now it's time to add our chicken. some salt, black pepper, so in goes some all-purpose seasoning now. So now we're gonna add the stuff that we had pounded in the mortar. So you're now going to leave this to cook. So now we're going to go in with our casareep now. And you're not using a lot of casareep in this recipe. Okay guys, so now we've added the casareep. You want to mix this in well and let it cook a bit, absorb all the casareep flavor in there. So at the end of this guys, you're going to add enough casareep to give it a color that you like. But don't careful not to add way too much casareep. Maybe about the maximum quantity you should add here is about 1.5 tablespoons. And that should give it the color that you like. Or you can add less if you don't like it that dark. But this seems to be a perfect color here, and we added about 1 tablespoon. And that's it guys, that's our Casareep chicken there. That's how easy it is to make this delicious. So that's it for this recipe guys. Here is our Casareep chicken. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.